United 982, number 2, runway 28 left, clear to land. Number 2, clear to land, runway 28 left, United 982, United 982, number 2, runway 28 left, clear to land. November 96 Foxtrot Bravo, requesting change to runway 28 right. Number 2, clear to land, runway 28 left, United 982, going around, Delta 144. San Francisco Tower, United 406 is 18 nautical miles to the southeast at 17,500 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 28 left. November 96 Foxtrot Bravo, number 1, runway 28 right, clear to land. Number 1, clear to land, runway 28 right, November 96 Foxtrot Bravo. Delta 144, extend downwind. Extending downwind, Delta 144. United 406, number 2, runway 28 left, clear to land. Number 2, clear to land, runway 28 left, United 406. Delta 144, requesting change to runway 10 left. Southwest 8 Super, runway 1 left, cleared for takeoff.
1000.
San Francisco Tower, Qantas 47, ready for takeoff at runway 28 left, departing north. Cleared for takeoff, runway 1 left, Southwest 8 Super. Number 2, clear to land, runway 28 left, United 982, Qantas 47, hold short of runway 28 left. San Francisco Tower, Boeing 745 is 15 nautical miles to the southeast at 2,500 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 28 left. Holding short runway 28 left, Qantas 47. United 982, number 1, runway 28 right, clear to land. Number 1, clear to land, runway 28 right, United 982. Boeing 745, number 3, runway 28 left, clear to land. Number 3, clear to land, runway 28 left, Boeing 745. San Francisco Tower, Jersey 534 is 25 nautical miles to the southeast at 5,500 feet, inbound for landing. San Francisco Tower, American 1080 is 50.